Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abir and I go by Curls and Tings.
For this video, I will be doing a full review of Curl's new vegan line, the Green Collection. The Kelp Curl Cleanser shampoo is perfect for a dry, itchy scalp. It'll help to promote and restore moisture, bringing life back into my hair. As you could clearly see, it needs a lot of help. The Kelp has tons of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C, D, and E. All these vitamins will help to promote hair growth as well as hydrate.
Green tea rinse to your hair, leave it in for a few seconds, rinse out with cold water. You need to rinse it out with cold water to seal the hair shaft and create shine. This will be the first time I do a hair rinse and I'm super excited.
So the green tea hair rinse is not a conditioner and should definitely be rinsed out. This is a perfect substitute for the apple cider vinegar rinse. You could use this instead. The benefits of the green tea rinse is that it balances the pH of the hair and scalp, reduces itchiness in the scalp, and combats dandruff.
It has a little spoon.
My next step is to use the Kelp and Cucumber Hair Mask.
It's so thick.
So the added bonus with this deep conditioner is that there is cucumber juice, and cucumber juice is really good for your hair because it has silicone and sulfur, which collectively stop hair from falling and promotes healthy hair. As you could see, I didn't shed that much. I'm going to do it in 4 sections and come right back, but look at how easy it is to detangle. Once I've detangled all 4 sections, as you can see, my hair is so hydrated and it's looking like it's coming back to life. I have a few more steps to go.
Soy protein, which is pretty far down the list. It's recommended that you leave this in as like a leave-in, or you could wash it out. I'm going to test a small strand and see how my hair reacts to it. I know I have a protein sensitivity, like that I know for sure. Most times my hair ends up feeling super dry and brittle.
So I'm going to take a small section of hair from the back and I am going to apply a little bit of the protein treatment. My hair seems to be liking it. It's soft, it's not harsh, it's not brittle. The leave-in is actually a gentle protein treatment, so it can be left in the hair and can even be used as a thermal protectant before heat styling. So the next time I decide to straighten my hair, I might just leave a little bit of this in there. So it worked, the small section was successful, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair, but in sections. I've sectioned my hair off into 4 sections again, so it's easier for me to manage. And because I have a protein sensitivity, I am going to use the product sparingly. And the final step is to use the Avocado Hair Mousse. I've never really used a mousse for wash and go, but I am absolutely in love with how this makes my hair feel. It is botanical and alcohol-free, therefore causing a low foam effect. And it's perfect because it doesn't weigh down the hair. I'm using it here for a wash and go, but it could be used for many different styles, such as a rod set, a twist out, and even be used to refresh this wash and go. What seems to be taking forever is almost done. I actually use a white t-shirt to remove any excess hair product and eliminate frizz from my curls as I wait for it to air dry. Right now, my curls are alive. They're back, they're popping, and I'm super happy with the result. Just like that, my wash and go is complete. I am so happy with the end result. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.